guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So I've been bored at home today. I'm not officially on TikTok, but I've been browsing a lot of the recipes because I'm a foodie and I like baking. I came across some fun recipes and I thought that I would try to replicate them and just kind of see if they work, if they're a scam, or if they're really delicious. Also thought it'd be fun to kind of pick a theme because a lot of them are the same flavors over and over again, so I thought I would do a matcha version. I picked a few of my favorites. We're gonna try to make them and see if they turn out. I'll do some ratings so we can kind of get a good idea of which one is best. Okay, it's gonna be fun. First one, obviously the coffee, and I'm personally more of a tea person, so I thought it'd be fun to find one for matcha tea, and I did actually come across this one, a whipped matcha layered situation, and then it's like that. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it out. It's so cute and all. You definitely have to stir. I'm not sure why the tea is just not incorporating as well. Actually, it's fun that the matcha stays separate because then it's kind of like mochi or bubble tea. It's definitely not like the coffee version. I like it more. It's kind of like this tea stuff stays kind of like clumpy. Like I just made a bubble tea. This is even better. Woo! At least a 4 out of 5. All right, so we've all seen the pancake cereal. I'm gonna make a spin on this favorite, and you guessed it, I'm gonna put matcha green tea in it. God, I'm making this good. Amazing. Put it in the magic bullet. It seems dangerous. Please don't stick. This pan I don't even want to talk about. I don't know what happened. Let's focus on this beautiful pan. Beautiful. They're very green. They smell nice. I feel like green tea always goes well with like more of a milk base. So I've also got condensed milk, which I thought would be really fun. Ready? I'm gonna put a little bit of light whipped cream. Not gonna lie, if like Shrek was a breakfast cereal, this will be it. Let's take a bite. Oh yeah. Tastes like a green tea ice cream made into a pancake. It's fun. It's kind of like You taste the milk first, and then as you chew the little pancakes, then you taste the green tea, and it's like, woo! Amazing. I really like this one. Really nice. You should try it. Let's go on to the next one. Let me just clean up all of this CSI whipped cream splatter, BRB. Trying to be housewifey of the year. Just kidding, I'm single. What's up? And this one's called 3 ingredient fudge, and the OG recipe that's like on trend is Oreo. But today we're doing matcha tea. Maybe tomorrow Oreo, we'll see. But I think the premise can also work with like chocolate and then hopefully matcha. We shall see. So the 3 ingredients are condensed milk. I have here. Oh, that's Arabic. There we go, English. Beautiful. And white chocolate, which they also substituted the white chocolate I wanted, so I think I'll have to downsize the recipe a bit because I only had 2 bars. The big one I was gonna get, it was like this giant German chocolate bar, and I was so excited. But guess what? It's out of stock. So they sent me these guys. We'll make do. We're versatile, we're resilient. We're gonna get this 3 ingredient fudge done. Let's go. Maybe 1, maybe 2. Some bad news. So I checked on it and it's like became a little more fudgy, but it's still kind of, I'm hoping it's salvageable. Maybe it will be like a fun popsicle. I've got the fudge. I really hope I didn't waste 2 chocolate bars on it. It's not that hard, even though I thought it would freeze. Maybe it won't because there's just too much fat in it. It definitely didn't set. Let me kind of show you the close-up of the corner that I cut out. It's kind of just like the wettest fudge you've ever seen. It looks kind of awful. I think we might have just made green tea ice cream, to be honest. Oh god. Okay, it's good, but I'm gonna call this one a fail. I thought it would be okay. It tastes good though. It tastes like if green tea ice cream and like toffee had a baby. The white chocolate with the matcha tea is like amazing. I just don't know what to describe it as. I wouldn't describe it as fudge. So sad. I might cry. Anyway, okay, so I found this one. It's like a jiggly matcha pudding. Anything that jiggles, I'm just like very drawn to, and I love all these like jiggly cakes. The only thing is he's using a different kind of gelatin in it, so I think I'm gonna look for another recipe but kind of try to make it like that one. So I found another one as well, and it looks like that. Ooh. And we have all the ingredients, so it'll be great. Gelatin, matcha powder, sweetener, and soy, vanilla for fun. Like, she makes it so fast. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do first. Just mix everything in a pan. I might make a half batch because I'm only one person. I don't have cream, so I'm gonna substitute. This is a big half teaspoon. 1, 2. Also gonna put a pinch of vanilla. We're gonna put it on the stove, heat it, and then put the gelatin. better turn out, otherwise my hopes, my dreams. All right, we'll see you in a bit with the pudding. I think one is ready and it feels firm, so we're gonna try it out. So what he says to do is to put in, I just have some hot water, and I'm taking my little guy. Ooh, it's jiggly. I'm just going to set it in the hot water. He's just chilling. Oh my god, I can't wait. Pray for me. 1, 2, 3. Do you think it worked? Oh my god, it's still in there. One side is stuck and the other side is not stuck. Oh my god, no! The water was too hot, but it is pretty jiggly. It's not aesthetically as cute as his, but we're more worried about the taste, you know? Standards are a little low after the fudge. Oh my god. Cutting into it, it's like super firm. It's like shaking. It definitely tastes exactly like something I've had before. It tastes like that thing you can buy in the little cup in like the supermarket if you've had it. Usually they're like fruit flavors. So it's this one. It's called Silken Tofu. It tastes exactly the same as I made it with soy. It looks like this from the grocery store. You can also get it at restaurants. I think the American equivalent is called panna cotta, but there's so many different kinds on the internet, and there's even a tiramisu one. Oh my god. Anyway, this is what it's supposed to look like, and now back to looking at mine. The jiggle is real. Oh my god. Look at it go. I'm in love with it. Okay, it's like light, kind of refreshing. 10 out of 10 for jiggle flavor. 4 out of 5. It's not very pretty, but I'm gonna let the other one sit longer. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish this. I've never seen something so perfect in my life. Ooh, delicious. It's amazing. So that concludes my video. I hope that you liked some of the recipes and maybe you'll try them. Overall, my opinion, the whipped coffee was my favoritist. I should say whipped green tea latte. The small pancakes, also amazing. I don't know if I would go to the time to do it again. I think I would just make like a full-size green tea pancake next time. It's still really fun. If you have the time, then why not? And then the fudge. A bit of a fail. I will say the taste was great. It's okay frozen, but it's more like ice cream than fudge, I would say. Lastly, the pudding, 10 out of 10. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you do, I would love if you would like and subscribe. I'd love to make more cooking videos. I'm gonna be on the web browsing just in case I find something fun. Until then, bye!